Welkom bij misschien wel een van de grootste en snelst groeiende Forex Library parels van de afgelopen tijd. Nouri was 16 toen hij bij ons binnenkwam. Toen hij 17 kwam had hij zijn eerste payout, maar die werd afgewezen. Hij woont nu in het buitenland, waar hij voor andere mensen treedt, op een andere manier dan Forex Library. Maar hij heeft natuurlijk wel alle kernbegrippen geleerd. En hij komt bij ons vandaag, speciaal naar Nederland, om dat nog eens even te fixen. Kijk mee en lekker bezig, Noor. Trots op je.
How?
Nouri.
Nore.
Yes,
Yeah,
to meet
nice to meet you. Sorry about my pronunciation. It's just
you. Yes.
cool. So you ready?
I wanted to talk about a little bit of fear and doubt I've been having the last few months. The last few months have been great opportunities, so I can't complain. But now, because of the last few months, people have been watching me and monitoring me, and trading with a little bit of investment capital. So sometimes when I'm in a trade, I have this doubt in my head, like people are watching, maybe you should close, and I close way too early. That's the main problem I have right now. So it's a little bit of fear, I think, and it's last 2 months only.
So you've been streaming? Like you are trading live? Like the others are
it's
watching you?
people,
No.
I trade with a little bit of investment capital now,
Uh-huh.
and some tryout with funds. So
Okay.
they monitor me, what I do.
Okay, I see. Well, and then you said that this is like for 2 months already?
Yeah, for 2 months now. So it's not a big problem, but it's something I want to push out of the way for
I
the
see.
future.
Over those 2 months, can you see some sort of progress when it comes?
It has been going better. My performance has gone up, so that's not a problem. But these new feelings, I haven't had them before because
Yeah.
I only traded like prop firms solo. So nobody watching me, or
I
if I
see.
made a mistake, it's like
Yeah.
only my own fault. And now people are watching me, so I have to be
Mm-hmm.
a little bit more careful, or
Yeah.
I don't know how to.
Understand.
Yeah.
Understand.
So sometimes I close too early, or I don't even take the trade on the investment capital accounts. And on the prop firm accounts, I take them, and then it's like, why did I do it?
Yeah. I see. So when it comes to, just break it down, if I understood correctly, when it comes to prop firm accounts,
Yeah.
you would
No, prop firm is no
you would
problem.
be fine.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
And when it comes to this account where you are like trading for some fund,
Yeah.
like
Yeah, it's not like it's people, multiple people. They have investment side
Yeah.
on the account. So
Okay.
I trade it, and they gonna look. It's like performance. So and then I have multiple accounts, multiple people monitoring me right now. And sometimes I only trade the prop firm accounts and not the investment capital accounts.
Yeah.
Or I close the position at like 2%, but my original target is like 4%.
how's
then
your
it hits.
relationship with these people who are having
It's good.
a look at it?
It's also a little bit of new people, so
They're new?
but the main I know them, so it's like
Okay.
a good relationship.
I see. So it's a good relationship.
Yeah.
So you don't want to fuck up because
Yeah.
you won't see them like
No,
you
but
want
it's
them to
more-
see that you are able to like perform well
Yeah.
and you are working with
It's
their
more-
money
It's more like I want to perform better than
than usually.
that I should. And for them, they always say no rush. But for me, I think it's a personal issue. I want to perform like the best of the best, but it's okay to not. And I gotta accept that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's great, right? Again, like if
Yeah.
you're gonna put it into this perspective, like you've been doing so well that you are able to be in this position and to deal with this issue, right?
Yeah.
And then you are doubting yourself,
Sometimes, yes.
which is coming from only
I don't
yourself
know.
again.
It's like only because people are watching me. It's like this weird
Yeah.
feeling.
There's no
Like, you
perfection in
can't lose,
trading.
but-
There's no perfection in a trade-in.
nah.
You know that, right? You know that.
Yeah, I know that.
So you'll always experience some losses.
Yeah, and I think also it's new for
Still
me.
got time.
So I've been used to trading only with myself, and now managing accounts from other people, companies. So it's like a new feeling only for the past months.
Yeah.
And I've I think like how can I push this away?
Again, I would say it is about that focus, what is now on result more than the process part.
Yes.
So basically, even when you are, again, cutting the positions earlier, you're thinking about what is going to be the result of the trade, right?
Yeah.
And then you are leaving the money on the table.
Yeah, I'm getting
Yes.
the monthly targets, so it's also that it's not a problem. But it's like
Yeah.
sometimes they ask me like, why did you close it? And I can't give them a right answer. I have to accept it and tell them I have a little bit of fear or doubt,
Yeah.
or maybe over analyzing the trade.
And if you think about it, like you're pretty new in this, you know, like it's 2
Yeah,
months, right? Like
Yeah,
when
like
you started
3
with
months
that.
now that
Yeah.
they're monitoring me. So
And you
it's-
already see that there is some sort of progress, right? Like when it comes to yourself.
It's not like it's going bad or something, but
Yeah,
it's
of
like
course. It's gonna require a little bit time, you know,
Yeah.
to get to use that, to
I
use
think
to
it's
that,
also
and
get used to it, and
yeah,
maybe it's like a new chapter.
yeah. Maybe you are having like really high expectations when it comes to yourself, you know, like you are really expecting so much from yourself, then you're just like pressuring yourself,
Yeah.
like unnecessary, you know. So if you would be able to let go, you would perform even better, right? Like it's a paradox. It's a paradox. You're overthinking that, and you're not
Yes.
focused.
I think overthinking also.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna behind my desk. I'm thinking like, hey, I need to close, and then it's the wrong decision mostly.
You need time.
Yeah, I think so.
But then again, like working with accountability partner or some coach, so you can acknowledge what you are feeling, what you are going through, because these feelings are something like very common, and I would say it's actually a sign that you are a human being and not a robot, you know, like that you're not a psychopath, so you're a healthy person.
Yeah.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
No, just give yourself a time, you'll be fine.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyways, we can discuss it later on as well.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
So you're very welcome.